Up for sale, 1967 Mercury Cyclone, finished in correct red with black interior. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. So, like I said, 1967 Mercury Cyclone GT convertible, 390 4-speed. I'm not even kidding. 390 4-speed car from the factory, GT convertible from the factory, and the number I was thrown at was about 353 in this combination, 390 4-speed convertible GT Cyclone 67. Anyway, so as it's finished in correct as a Cardinal red, I believe. I just wrote it down. Cardinal red, which is the correct color for the car, with black bucket seats, black interior, which is the correct combination of the interior. It has been recently painted in Cardinal red. Very nice job, actually. It has new front and rear bumpers, primarily new trim, new tires, new seat covers, and as you know, I'm going to go through the car and show more about it. It has a 3.25 rear, which is coated. Let me hop over to that real quick. Coated on the VIN tag, which is right here. 4-speed, 3.25. 8A is black. T is Cardinal red. 76H is the GT convertible. So, let's get back to it. And as you know, GTs have their fiberglass hood on there, which is really cool, actually. And front bumper is really nice. Looks very, very, very nice because it is on the new side. All the trim, headlight bezels look pretty good. Halogen lights. Grille looks nice as well. And I know there's a little mark in the paint right there, and a couple right there, very faint little guys, because it is fiberglass. All the glass is in excellent condition, actually. Right before I pop the hood, I'll show you. And the dash pad, which I will show you, has no cracks in it. Let's see, how do I open this guy? There we go. Okay. Glass hood, again, pretty cool. 390 4-barrel carb, and it is an S code for the 394 barrel. But it is a nice clean engine compartment. It has power brakes on it, and it's power top as well. I like how they painted the red back there too. They did a nice job. They didn't skimp on that. And again, another nice thing is this section here. They took their time to nicely paint this. So yeah, I'll leave that open. We'll go down the driver's side of the car. Another good choice is Goodyear tires. Nice fitment on the door here. And actually the lower door is good fitment too. The little tiny guy right there. Maybe a little chip right there. Another nice thing is they did a good job painting the door jambs, which again is a nice thing to see, something that wasn't skimped out on. And the door panel is very nice as well. Paint up there is nice. Anyway, bucket seats, which are actually very nice condition, like I said. And the rear is nice, as well as your rear door panels. You see that seat's nice over there. And the convertible top frame is nice, and the top is new as well. And the glass is excellent there. There's no yellowing on that. It's got its factory 4-speed shifter in there, which is nice to see again. Not throwing some other crap in there. Original steering wheel, which is, you know, has a crack in it. That would be common. The dash is in very nice condition, actually, as well as the gauges. And again, no cracks on the pan. Nice visors. Trying to think if there's anything else. Carpet's in nice condition. There's no rips on that. And has front and rear seat belts again. Nice thing. I have the boot for the top, which is in the trunk. It's a little tiny little mark right there. Dual exhaust, which is new. This trim around here has a little bit of pitting in a couple certain spots, so this is probably original to the car where the boot clips onto. Again, like I said, back bumper's new. This trim here is probably original, which would make sense. And the trunk fitment is nice. They lines up here nicely. There's a little tiny chip on that corner. How's it over here? Nice. New weather stripping in the trunk, and they did a nice job painting as well as the underhood. Boot, and pretty solid. Looks like it's got some sort of a spatter paint on there, and we'll keep going. I like the sound of the dual exhaust. It has that muscle car sound, nothing stupid crazy or like a nice, you know, being a rare car, gave it that classic sound, if that's the best way to put it. Little mark right there. And this is something on the paint. Came right off. A little mark I see right down there. Again, door fitment is nice front and oh, this is front and back. That light works down there. Will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. So if you're interested, go on, click it, check it out. 67 Mercury Cyclone GT convertible, 390 4-barrel, 4-speed manual car. Finished in correct Cardinal red. with black interior. And again, if you've made it this far, you're noticing there's not too many flaws on the car. Paint-wise, at least, you know. I pointed out other things. So again, we're going to fire it up now. You can hear it run. And then we will drive it. And I will get in for the driving so you can see that. The shifting and all that goodness. So, thanks for watching. And here we go. Alright, here we go. We're going to fire it up. No, I saw them. I assumed you were going around the block.
Yeah, the speedo works, everything works, gauge, temperature gauge, whatever. So far, just don't work.
Ah, the semi again. Yeah.
This guy will be wrong.
I know.
Yeah, because he was bleeding. Bongo always beeps, but he never stops.
I know.
He must always be in a hurry.
He's always behind.
Huh?
He's always behind.
Runs, drives, shifts.
It felt tight when he did that.
Very good. What?
It felt tight when he did the little turn there. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. More people in the way. I would hit the brake.
Why are they parked over here?
I don't know. That truck in
Not on the other side.
the truck in the middle of the road.
Why didn't you say park by us?
I don't know.
You know, on Bernard.
I don't know.
It's ridiculous. Don't even bring it out.
Oh, we'll go back.
Yeah.
We don't have to do too much.
Hopefully the truck's gone.
I hope so.
He's finally out.
Hurry up before it pulls out.
Kind of scary. When we pull it in, we'll check the lights. The truck should be right here.
I know. I'm gonna hurry up and take the pictures before the rain comes.
Yeah.